try to fix our audio. Let's try to side chain. Audio properties. Filters. Oh, these are for desktop audio. Compressor. Limiter. So, there we go. When we talk, we want to side chain. Check. There we go. That should be fairly decent actually now. Jesus, that was horrible. So we're gonna go to we're gonna try to see if we can procedurally generate Python interactive console. Do we have to import BPY? I'm gonna try to just paste this in here and see. Oh, well, that was kind of cool. Okay, but I don't want to do it like this. I mean, that's cool and all. There we go. Let's see if we can find some noise to plug into this. So I know I want to add more, like I want small, I want tiny ones to be 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3. Small ones to be 0.7 to 1.2. I want medium to be 2.5, 4.5, and 7. Large ones need to be 12 and 15. The giant ones need to be 20, 30. And then we want count. So tiny ones we want to have 20 of. Small ones we want to have 10 of. Medium we want to have 5. Large we want to have 3. And giant we want to have 1. And then random uniform location. So we want to have like between 100. Like, let's just try this because That's kind of cool. But let's do 3 of these, 8 of these, 10 of these, 20 of these, and 50 of these. Space them out more. There we go. Okay, we also want to add like,
when was the last time I took a road trip? How many national parks could I hit in 2 weeks? What about hotels? Wait, hey Erica, how much am I spending on travel?
When your questions about life turn into questions about money, there's Erica, the virtual financial assistant to help you spend, save, and plan smarter.
I don't know if I'm doing this right, actually. PPY.
The power to do. Erica is only available in the English language. You must download the latest version of the mobile banking app, only available on select mobile devices. Your chat may be recorded and monitored for quality assurance. Message and data rates and additional
I don't know if that's right.
NA member FDIC.
Displace. Sweet dreams are made of these. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Displace texture. Type. Clouds. I don't know if we're doing this right at all. Text. Noise scale equals size divided by 5.0. We'll try it. Then we're gonna link the displacement. Texture equals text. Displacement strength equals size divided by 10. Let's try this. And then smooth shading. I keep trying to save it because that's what you do with the text editor. I don't think that did anything. But we should be able to look at this and see if we have modifier now. So we have a displacement texture. It's trying to displace the normal. So do we need to go to another view? Material preview? Maybe because the subdivisions. That's cool that the script actually shows you down here what you're doing, so if you want to like recreate it. I want to have more than just blobs though. We're gonna have to look something up. That displacement doesn't do anything as far as I can tell, unless I mean, I can't really tell
Your word
if it is or isn't.
formaldehyde.
Can you use it in a sentence?
As you're sitting in your basement, you hit your vape, but then your mom walks in, freaks out, and starts listing the toxic chemicals you could be inhaling into your body, like formaldehyde, which she singles out because it's the same chemical used to preserve your Uncle Rico's funky-smelling taxidermied fox. Formaldehyde. Vaping can expose you to toxic chemicals like formaldehyde. No need to spell it out anymore.
That's cool. Now they're not
the real
like
cost and FDA.
perfect circles. Let's try to subdivide them even more. And then displacement strength. Let's do ×2. Whoa. That's close. What if we cut the subdivisions back down? Okay, well that's cool and all. They all have the same exact shape. Let's add another texture. Let's do random. Is it random? Not random. Random uniform. And what we'll do is we'll do from 3 to 6.0, and then we'll do random uniform size divided by 2 to size. There we go. Now they're all going to be a little bit different. They won't all be exactly the same. And then we can actually do subdivision 3 now, I think. Because some space asteroids would probably look... Okay, maybe not that much. What if we do between 5 and 2? And some up here more smooth. Let's do 3 to 2. Because we want more subdivisions, because we are about to add another layer where we're gonna say BPY ops object mod Displays. I don't actually know what this does, but it says that I need to do it.
Need to find the perfect gift? Don't panic. Gift mode takes the stress out of gifting.
never know
It
if
makes
I'm
it
spelling
easy to
that
find
right.
items made by independent sellers for anyone and any occasion. Try gift mode on Etsy now.
Work goes smoothly when you know the right steps. With Asana, you can coordinate tasks across teams and stay on track, so your team can spend more time celebrating wins. Try it for free at asana.com.
I probably could have just reused the variables, but hey, and now we have some craters. So we actually want to go through for sizes, items. We don't have to do this. We can do, well, okay, can we, okay, instead of smooth shading, we actually want to do BPY ops object modifier apply modifier equals disp name, and then we'll want to do the same thing. And then we call go in, we can actually look at our vertex vertices. So what happens if we subdivide it one less? They don't look anywhere near as good. But I wonder if that's better. Or if like bigger ones should have more subdivisions and smaller ones should have less. Like, Subdivisions. Oh wait, that's counts. We need the counts. Well, we don't really need the counts. If we, well, I don't want to do these calculations on the fly, although I do love the idea of a procedurally generated game. Decisions. Subdivisions equals
Sound the gifting panic alarm.
tiny.
You need to find the perfect gift.
Equals
You have zero ideas
one.
and you don't know where to start. Relax. Now you can use gift mode on Etsy.
Equals one.
Gift mode takes the stress out of gifting, so you can
Medium
find the perfect item for anyone and any
equals
occasion.
two.
Just answer a few short questions about who you're shopping for and what they like. And gift mode
Large
gives you curated gift ideas
equals
based on hundreds of
3.
personas.
And then
Need to find the perfect
giant.
gift? Don't panic.
Let's
Try
try
gift mode
4
on
and
Etsy
just see
now.
what happens. What's wrong with that? Oh, period. That's pretty cool, but I think maybe that's too many, so maybe this one's 3 also. Yeah, those are cool looking craters. And the mesh isn't bad either, so. And then these small ones, even the small tiny ones, like there's no point. There's no point in having a little comment be any bigger than that, so. Very cool. Between size, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do. I almost want to do size squared. But no. We'll do size divided by 3 between size plus size. And the noise scale will be between size divided by 2 and size. Okay. I'm actually almost okay with that. Maybe we just back off just a little bit. Then they don't all look the same, but let's even go farther down the rabbit hole. Let's do 3 and 5. Let's like throttle some of these way back. And then let's do up to 1.5. Or 125. But up to twice as much noise scale. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Cool. Now we've got procedurally generated comments. They all look very similar, but I know that they're not. Cool. Let's see. I want to narrow this down. Let's do like 5 tiny ones. Let's do Let's do 4 tiny ones, 5 small ones, 7 medium, 10 large, and 5 giant ones. And then we're only going to do this so that we can have a bunch of different meshes to save. We're gonna save this as craters. And then I want to see, let's see. Let's add a function that says define export asteroid. Then we're going to take the object and the directory, and then we're going to say file path equals os path join dir dir format, and we're gonna name it object name glb And then we're going to say BPY ops export. I don't want to export the whole scene though. Let's see if this works. Let me see. Okay, so we're gonna try to do a little hacky here. We're gonna say location equals object location copy, and then we're going to say object location equals 0, 0, 0, because we want to have it centered when we export it. And then when we export scene, gltf file path equals file path, export selected equals true, export format equals glb, and then object location equals original location. Oops, look. Apparently this should work. So after we create our asteroid, we want to say BPY ops object select all action equals deselect, and then object select set true. So we want to select this. We need to make the asteroid function create the asteroid, and then we already are returning it. So then we select that asteroid, and then we export object I don't want a random choice from the size. I want to say I want one of each. I guess it doesn't have to be one of each. So count tiny. Let's do 6. 6. 9. That would be 5 of each large one. So let's do 8. So we get 4 of each large one. And then 5. Let's do 6. So we get 2 of each. Let's do 9. So we get 3 of each. So what I want to do is I want to say size this list, and then we'll do list size equals sizes dot length, I think. It's just len. I always forget Python's weird syntaxes. Or syntax I. I don't know how that works. Okay, let's see if we can. Let's see if we can get the size would be sizes of I modulus the list size. So that way, as we iterate through our list, we just continually go back around. It's not sizes, it's the length of sizes, size, category. Actually, no, it's just the length of the sizes list. That's right. So that should give us the length of this list, and then as we iterate over these, we should get like a certain number of each. So then when we export the object, we should be able to export the object, and where do we want to? I have no clue if this is gonna work. We also want to make the name. We want to set the object name to equal the size category plus I plus 1. So let's see if this works. Key error 0. Weird, so this is the wrong thing. This is supposed to be sizes list. Okay. Export object is not defined. Oh, export asteroid. I'm tired, y'all. I've been awake since like 5 o'clock. Name OS. Did you forget to import OS? I sure did. I really commend Blender for implementing the Python traceback and stuff in here so well. Export selected unrecognized Python. Guess we're gonna have to look up official docs. I didn't actually export selected. I didn't call export selected. Oh, export selected is not a known keyword, okay. Some of these didn't turn out well, but that's fine because we can just delete them and generate more, which is pretty cool. I could even come in here and edit them if I really wanted to, which isn't the worst. I mean, I'm not against doing a little bit by hand. It doesn't take a whole lot. Some of these I would just rather delete, but I don't have to include a file path. Export scene GLTF file path. File path is optional too. Now that's cool. I could include copyrights and stuff too, which I should do, but do I even need to do anything? Like, how to export selected object in Blender Python. Oh, we could control the axes. Okay, we're just gonna try this. Oh, it fails when you have it, when you're in mesh mode with something selected. Export directory is not defined because we deleted that. We don't need that actually. Oh wait, we do need that. But why? Do we really need that? I don't think we do. We're gonna try it. I think we're just gonna get rid of that because it says binary or JSON. It actually doesn't say that. Aha! We've got objects, but it actually saved the name size category. Oh, duh, because we actually named it size category. Okay, so large 3 was ugly. So let's delete large 3. Giant 7 was ugly, so let's delete giant 7. I think it's really just those two. I mean, this one's okay. I think we're okay with that. Yeah. Can we, save the script too? Asteroid generation.py. Cool. Well, thanks for watching. In the next video, we're gonna try to get objects imported into our Blender game. I mean, our Vulkan engine. So we can see if we can use these asteroids, these ships. And maybe we might need to go back and try to implement, maybe design a HUD or something. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.